Today we've got a 2-for-1 special. We've got T2 going up against T3. No, not the Terminator movies. These are earbuds from Truefree, the T2 versus the T3 in a 2-for-1 review. It's Tech Force time. In both boxes, we get the soundpeats wireless headphones. There are also 3 ear tips, 4 stability fins, a USB-C charging cable, the charging case, and the regular quick start guide. Let's get into the differences between the T2s and the T3s. Both are running 5.3 Bluetooth. The battery difference, T2 is going to give you 23 hours, T3s you're going to get 28 hours of playback time. In the T2s, your low latency for your game mode is going to be 50 milliseconds, whereas the T3s will give you a 40 millisecond response time. Those are for the low latency if you've got them in game mode and you need to be on it. The T3 is also going to win the beauty contest, looking a lot smoother, slicker, and a little bit more premium. The T3s are also rocking something called AI Smart Noise Cancellation for the calls. The soundpeats Truefree T2 and T3 are decently comfortable. They're very lightweight and the ear tips don't enter your ear canal too deeply. They come with an assortment of different sized stability wings, which should help ensure a perfect fit for most users. The only place you're going to be finding more wings is in the Batcave, and please make sure to put the right sized wingtips on your earplugs or it's going to be quite an embarrassing trip to the doctor. They also both come with possible physical control scheme, and this basically means a double tap on the right or left buds, turn the volume up or down. A long hold on the right bud skips the track forward, while a long hold on the left bud skips the track back. All the controls you need at the touch of your fingertips. Like the Terminators that were built in Terminator 2 and Terminator 3, these T2 and T3 are well built. They have a fairly sturdy plastic feeling with dense plastic buds and a charging case that feels like it can take a pounding. You know, it's going to be around for a long time. It's nice and sturdy. It might even be able to stand up to a T800. The Truefree wins the beauty contest and provides a better wearing experience by upgrading the dual dynamic drivers and mic to offer superior sound, while the Truefree T2 has a slightly better sound when it comes to clarity and low distortion. The T2 has an IPX7 rating, and what that basically means is that it can hold its breath for 30 minutes up to 1 meter underwater, which makes this perfect for extreme sports. On the other hand, the T3 has an IPX5 rating, and that means it can resist and sustain low pressure exposure. So if you're an action sports person, the T2s are for you. Something that wasn't great on either the T2 or the T3 is the noise isolation performance. They basically do an awful job of filtering out the boom boom bass range, such as the rumble of a bus or a plane engine. These sounds just come flying through. Then the mic delivers disappointing recording quality. It sounded very muffled when I did my test recordings on the T2 and the T3. Not very good on the mic front. Both headphones aren't likely to last you a full day on a single charge. Thankfully, they have a standby mode to preserve the battery life when it's not in use, and their case supplies roughly 4 additional charges. Thank goodness for the charging cases. They take about an hour and a half to recharge. The T3 has a longer play time, around 3 hours of playback time, while the T2 will give you 2 hours of playback time. There are also limited color options for both of these headphones. One only has a few options to choose from when buying them, and I know people that actually dress according to the color of their headphones. Therefore, they would like colors like greens and reds and blues to match their outfits. These are the fashion-forward people, those who like to look good from head to toe. Everything working in unison, looking fly. Before you make your decision on which Truefree earbuds you prefer, the time has come to go on over and hit the like and subscribe button. And if you like, hit the bell to be notified every time we drop a video. In conclusion, the Truefree T2 and T3 earbuds give you your money's worth. Both are very comfortable, and the sound quality of both earbuds is comparable to the more expensive options on the market. What it really boils down to is your preference to slight differences. Very low pricing for a quality product like this. Both are priced around £30, which is an absolute bog. That's why, if there were a few more colors, one might be inclined to buy more than one pair. That's all we've got time for today. Thank you for watching. Until next time, bye-bye. Now, when it comes to the movies, T2 and T3, Terminator 2, one of the greatest sequels ever made, a cinematic masterpiece. And on the other hand, you've got T3, which is a world apart from Terminator 2, a movie that should basically not have been made. Which scriptwriter thought it was a good idea to kill Sarah O'Connor off with cancer? One of the toughest females in cinematic history was killed off by cancer. Come on, scriptwriters. You've got to do better than that. You've got to. I feel a bit better now that I got that off my chest, actually.